Okay, anybody else from the user side? We'll finish the users, then we'll go back to the artists and the composers. Ada apa-apa? Dr. Ganesh, ada say a few words dari Malaysian Association of Budget Hotel.
Okay, Sultan. Right, I would just like to add to what Isaac said. We are from the Malaysian Budget and Business Hotel Association, mewakili lebih kurang 2,500 lebih ahli. Okay, hotel budget berarti 3 bintang yang bawah dan terus sampai okay rated. Jadi kita ada 3 bintang, 2 bintang, 1 bintang, 3 okay, 2 okay, 1 okay. Okay, apa yang Mr. Isaac dah cakap, saya tak nak tambah. Memang apa yang dia betul. I was there even during the PRISM fight. Saya nampak benda ni. Masa tu baru, belum jadi presiden lagi. Jadi komiti saja. Kita tengok macam mana bergaduh, macam mana bank table, all these things. So, that time was YB Hassan Malik. Okay, so daripada sana kita nampak gaduh tu until it came into MRM and all the members start to pay. But why our members reluctant to pay again now is because of dia bercerai. 3 CM ni bercerai dan tak ada jumlah yang betul. Dan cara mereka buat collection, hantar debt collector datang apa ni. Actually what we want our association adalah bayar dan make sure all party happy. Tapi yang kita dapat tahu bayar pada CMO tapi yang sepatutnya dapat tak dapat apa-apa. Alright? So this is what we understand. So what we want is actually today here is we have to support the guideline done by MyElpo. MyElpo now is actually being yesterday, it's not 2 days ago, it's yesterday we were there. That these CMOs are trying to fight not to get this guideline effective. Okay, tetapi pihak MyElpo through the act they has section yang dia boleh keluarkan guideline. Apa yang CMO cakap berkenaan dengan bercanggah dengan undang-undang lain, all these things, I think that one is to be tried after that. Now we want it to be enforced first. Benda lain cerita dia. So that's what we have to support. I hope the media can answer to this to this part that we want this guideline to be effective. You tak puas hati, selepas tu lah kita cerita. Right? You know there's some defect in the building after that, not before you purchase, right? So this is what we want. So I think we need to support that and please pressure. Don't stop the pressure because we are also looking towards a single collecting body. That's what we want. Kita tak nak bayar 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will tell you there are many more coming. There are many more applications going in. Sebab sekarang dunia dah berubah. Kita ada online, kita ada AI, macam-macam. AI pun capture music tu sendiri. Dia yang capture, bukan kita yang bagi kan. So all these things. So I think there are a lot of more things. And there are also companies who are doing royalty but using detection by AI. You see, they are coming up, all these things. So I think we have to look into this. No matter how many, we don't bother. Tetapi kita bayar dekat satu agensi saja. Right? So that's what we need to do. And if it goes to one agency, for sure, I think all the users won't say no, they will pay. Right? Because we can educate them. Because they don't understand pencipta lah, penyanyi lah. No, all they don't understand, you know. They only know, I pay to someone and get to the person. Kita bayar, kita nak sampai ke orang yang sepatutnya dapat. Bukannya kita bayar, sampai dekat topik lain tak senang dekat. I'm there to say, I know it's not going to people who are supposed to get because we went so many libat urus and when I listen from the artist RM16 lah, RM21 lah a year, you know. So it's something funny lah, you know. So this is what we need to do. So I hope that this we have to pressure. What we want is from our side is this guideline to be effective. No campur tangan daripada pihak-pihak yang tak berkenaan. That's what we want.
Okay, thank you, Dr. Ganesh. Anyone else from the user side? Maho, yeah, please. Major Logan.
Okay, I'm speaking on behalf of Maho, Malaysia Hotel Owners Association. And